This is Mike of Mike Texts It Out, and I'm here for the first time on my new channel with the often forgotten member of the Amazon Echo family, the Amazon Echo Spot. And we're gonna do a super cool unboxing. So you have a pretty standard slip cover style box. So let's go ahead and get the slip cover off. Ooh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. All right, and then back here you have one of those stickers with a little peel thing. I'm gonna make this it's gonna be so elegant, you guys. It's like super elegant. You're not gonna believe how elegant this looks. Oh, wow. Wow, that was elegant. Oh. Wow. Wow, that was elegant. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked at how elegant I pulled that sticker off. Now, this looks like one of those lay down type deals. I'm going to lay it down. It has a little Amazon smile right here. So that way you know you're happy. And then it says Amazon right here, so you know it's not official and not some kind of bootleg one. All right, so let's go ahead. Yes, this is definitely a pull style, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and pop that up. And the first thing we get greeted with in the box, you see the front of the spot right here, and there's a little side box. So let's go ahead and pull this out. So that's cool. So detachable power cord, which is always a good idea. And there's a little protective cover up here. I'm going to put this to the side and see what other accessories come in the box. So this is like the little accessory box. There's actually no need to open the box really, because, and that's pretty much it for the box. So don't need to open this box. It's just the power cord, and then there's a little kind of like instruction guide. This is just giving you some quick tips about what you can do with the Echo, like skills, voice shopping, fun and games. Fun and games. Everyone wants to have fun and games. And then it's Music Unlimited. They're plugging their own services, of course. Audible. You do all kinds of cool stuff with this. So I'm going to refold this as best as I can. And then this is kind of like a little instruction guide. It shows where the camera is. So apparently that's right here. You can see it's like a little, it's not really a hole. I don't want to say a hole, but you know, it's a little circle thing, the top of the screen. And then it just kind of shows you how to connect the power and how to get it connected to a network. So that's it for the unboxing. I am going to go ahead and take this little plastic off of the screen. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in so that way we can at least see what the quality of the screen, because I am curious about that. This thing is pretty small. So we're going to go ahead and do a little screen test. All right, it's plugged in so you guys will get to see the action of, oh, stuff on the screen, stuff on the screen. I'm excited. Stuff on the screen, stuff on the screen. It says Echo. That means it can hear you. Actually, that's just branding. Oh, it made sounds. You hear those sounds? The speaker's a lot louder than I expected. Okay, so it's still...
Hello. Ready for setup.
And it's ready for setup. So overall, I think the unboxing process is really simple. The reason this thing is cool, it kind of got overshadowed by the Echo Show because it's basically like a small version of the Echo Show. It's meant to be like maybe like a side table or like a little tuck in the corner in your kitchen type thing with a screen, but it's just as capable. You can still set up your camera apps, like if you have a compatible camera like an Arlo, or if you have a Ring doorbell and you can pull up your doorbell and stuff up here. I think it's pretty cool. I think one of the reasons it's overlooked is because of the price. It is $130. You can get the first gen Echo Show since it's technically discontinued for less money. So it's probably not a good proposition versus that. But I do think as like if you do want something with a screen that's out of the way and discreet, this thing pretty damn cool. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, remember to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, try to do at least 2 things at the same time. Peace.